Welcome along to another taste video. No idea what number we're at. If any of you are keeping count, let me know what one we're on. So today we are drinking Liquid Death Mango Chainsaw flavoured sparkling water. Let's get it open and I'll give you my honest opinion. If you smell it, you can really smell the mango when you kind of like, I'll show you instead of just talking about. Right, to smell it, obviously you can smell the mango really kind of thing of me when you open the can. Now let's get to tasting, hopefully it's nice. That's nice. That's like the peach water my mum used to drink. Yeah, that's like the flavoured water. Can't remember what name it was, but if you know what I mean. The flavoured peach water in the blue bottles that have the picture of like obviously the ingredients that are in it on the front of it. That's quite nice. I like how with the packaging though, it makes it look like the packaging makes it look like it's an energy drink, but it's not. It's very, very good marketing, making you think it's something you shouldn't be drinking and it'll be bad for you. But then they put on the can in black writing, flavoured sparkling water. So it's basically just flavoured water in a can. Imagine that.